Do you see this blend? Do y'all see this blend? This is insane. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. As y'all know, I've been on a roll with the leave out synthetic units and clip-ins, and I have another one. I can't believe Sensational, we here with it. Sensational just dropped some V-part wigs, you guys. V-part wigs. A lot of brands have the U-parts, but they have yet to drop the V-parts, so let's get into this. They are part of Sensational's Curls, Kinks, and Co line, so you are getting the kinky and yaki straight textures when you get these. Now, I think this is gonna be a yaki straight one. Both of the ones I have for you today are straight wigs, so I feel like they're gonna be on the yakier side, but we'll see. This one is V Unit 3, and I have her in the color 1B. I wanted to go natural this go around, but I think I'm actually going to pick some of these up in the colors that they have, because they do have some dark root, different colored units. So I kind of want to give that a go too, because I like the copper. I want to try the copper. I love a good ginger unit. So yeah, this is definitely a yaki textured unit. So if you're looking for kinky straight, this might be a little too straight for you. But if you want that like coarse but relaxer kind of straight, or you have fine hair in that way where you do straighten your hair, this will work just fine for you. But honestly, the leave out is so thin. Let me show y'all the inside. The leave out is so thin. I don't feel like you're gonna have any issues even if your hair is on the coarser side. I think you'll be able to leave out just a sliver of hair to where you'll be able to blend it. I just cut the lace out as directed, and we're going to pop this on after I make my part. Oh, I didn't even explain to y'all what's going on back here. Just so we're all on the same page. Not even two combs. One comb right on the sides, one back here, two on the sides, and one in the back. Well, is that a comb? Yeah, it's a comb, but it's not a snap comb. It's a regular comb, and it does have the adjustable band in here. I got right to it, and I ain't tell y'all no type of information. I remember this doesn't have two sets of combs. That is a con for me already, is that I feel like I'm gonna need bobby pins right here. It should have had two sets of combs in the part. But we'll see once I finish clipping it in. Okay, we got another great, oh my God, that blend is crazy. I'm not even done yet. The blend is going crazy. So far, so good on this flapping up. I thought it would, but maybe Sensational was on to something I wasn't. You definitely don't need a lot of leave out, so you'll be good on that. That's really nice. You really don't need a lot of leave out. And the cap size is so good. Usually I have trouble, like I end up having to leave more hair out than I want to. And then the cap size is always flapping in the back for me. But this is a great cap size. Wow. I am using the adjustable strap in the back, but that's just because I needed to put it somewhere. I don't think it's super necessary for my head size, but you might find it useful. I think it does come out of the cap if you don't find it useful, or you can cut it out if you don't want it. Oh, synthetic me, yes. Since I already had this straight, I'm just gonna bump it up just to blend in with the hair. But nothing crazy, no high heat. Do what you gotta do from where you're at when you put this on, because I definitely think you should get it. Spoiler alert. But I am just gonna lightly bump this back down. Y'all, do you see this blend? Do y'all see this blend? This is insane. What wig? It don't exist. The wig does not exist. Like, y'all, this is seamless. This is completely seamless. Take a little serum, put that on top, lay down the hair. Yeah, if you feel like it gets a little tangled, you can always take your wig brush through it. I finally re-upped and got a wig brush. I was down one in my other wig because it's paid for it dearly. I'm probably gonna have to get another one quicker than I thought. Yeah, this is news anchor hair. This is exactly what I think of when I think of a news anchor. This is silk pressed hair. This is just, oh, it looks good, y'all. You can tuck it behind the ear. The fit is amazing. I don't really have any complaints outside of I wish they would have put combs right in the front, because somebody gonna need bobby pins. It might not be me. I thought it was gonna be me. It might not be me, but somebody's going to need bobby pins, because this is definitely flapping in the wind. Like, I'm not gonna hold y'all. But it lays down well, so maybe it won't be an issue, but I wish they would have put those extra combs in there. You can always add them yourself too, and this is a pretty inexpensive wig, so I really can't complain. But, you know, I do wish it wasn't there. This is the kind of hair that will have you fooling people. They're going to think this is yours, because you really cannot tell where my hair ends and the wig begins. This is one of the ones, y'all. This is one of the ones. The hair feels really smooth. I'm not really running into too much tangling. I feel like if you care for this well, you should be able to keep it for a minute. But you know, it's cheap, so you can always re-up when you do need a new one. Cost you less than your groceries. I actually highly recommend, if you do go the route of leave out with synthetic hair, just grab like 3 units you really like so you can alternate them. Hair's done. Didn't have to do anything else to it. Didn't have to curl it, didn't have to cut, shape, nothing. It's just done and it's laid. I did get 2 of the V parts. This one is V part unit 1, still from Sensationnel, and it's got the same cap construction and all of that on the inside. Are these? Nope. Still just one comes in a part. So same diff, same adjustable strap and all that. This one's just straight hair. Now I will say, so it's pretty yaki. I can't even say it looks super synthetic. It's not shiny or plastic looking. You know, Kiki Straight just does really well in synthetic form. It really does. All right, so this is the other unit. I did go ahead and swoop my edges a little bit because they was looking a little rough, but we got it together. This unit, oh my gosh, y'all, it's so amazing. I went with a side part this time because I feel like I'm always doing a middle part. But I went with the side this time, so I feel like, yeah, this is really, ooh. Now this one looks a little more synthetic to me in the straight than the V part unit 3 did, but it still looks good. Might have to use a little shine spray, like to anti-shine it, but the blend is blended. Like, what weave? This is giving quick weave, for real, for real. Like, this really looks like I did a quick weave. I like the density. It is on the thinner side, but I think it's a very natural one. It's given 2 bundles. And I haven't really had any tangling issues. Now with this being straight, I feel like the straight ones start tangling and looking bad a little bit quicker. So I would alternate this one out if you do choose to get it. But I would choose to get it. I will have both and all the synthetic UV parts, clip-ins that I have found linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you don't